Hiya 5! Today we're going to learn about the shoot system, classifying fruits. So this is a continuation from the previous topic where you learned about fruits. We're going to talk about more ways you can group fruits, you can classify fruits. So this is your last topic. So after this we'll just be doing some revision. So your lesson objective for today is to classify fruits by whether they are one-seeded or multi-seeded, edible or inedible, and fleshy or dry. So there are 3 groups there. So your steps to success is to learn examples of edible or inedible fruits, learn examples of fleshy or dry fruits, and then we'll summarize way we can classify fruits. So, edible fruits or inedible fruits? Some fruits can be eaten by people. These are called edible fruits. So, buah-buahan yang boleh dimakan oleh manusia, namanya edible fruits. We have example, dragon fruit, kiwi, and grapefruits. So, these 3 fruits can be eaten by humans safely. Other fruits cannot be eaten by people. These are called inedible fruits. So, buah-buahan yang indah boleh dimakan oleh manusia, namanya inedible fruits. So, they can be inedible, indah boleh dimakan pasal maybe they are poisonous or our body cannot take it in. Macam indah dapat dimasukkan dalam badan without making us feel sick. For example, rubber fruit, buah dari pokok gatah. Flame of the forest fruit, keruing fruit. So more examples of edible fruits and inedible fruits. So let's talk about more examples of edible fruits. We have lime, lemon, rambutan, and strawberry. So there are more you probably know like banana, orange, papaya, pineapple. Those are all edible fruits. You should know more edible fruits because you would see them in shops or people eating it on TV, or maybe you've eaten it before. Inedible fruits, we have maple fruit. So this is a fruit from the maple tree. Saga. Crown flower fruit. And lily of the valley fruit. So for the ones at the top, I think you just can't eat them. But for these 2, they are poisonous, so you cannot eat these fruits, so they are inedible. Fleshy fruits or dry fruits? Fleshy fruits have soft and juicy walls. They usually contain a lot of water. So, buah-buahan yang soft, so dapat kamu picik-picik, and juicy, so banyak air keluar if you bite into it. So, for example, star fruit, cherry, pumpkin. Dry fruits have dry fruit walls and do not contain much water. So, ya punya fruit wall, ya punya siring-siring di mana bahagian kamu makan buah itu kering and not much water. Bukan, some of them ada some but not a lot. For example, bean pod. So this part sini you can see it's actually dry. Maple fruit frond, you can see it's dry. And corn. So the corn, the inside of this is, you need a lot to squeeze before you can actually get the water out. So sebutingan ni, it doesn't really have a lot of water. So this is counted as dry. Now let's look at more examples of dry fruits and fleshy fruits. So for dry fruits, we have walnut, peanut. So you can see where the dry wall is, the fruit wall. This is the fruit wall. You can see it's dry over there. And then for this one, you can see it's definitely dry, the fruit wall. Okra. So you can see over there, it's not very wet. Macam musolnya kamu picik pun indah banyak air keluar. That's why it's called dry. And keruing fruit. Fleshy fruits, for example, pineapple, melon, durian, and apple. So durian actually has a lot of, it's a fleshy fruit. You can see at the thick part of the fruit before you reach the seed. So classifying fruits. From the lessons we learned, there are 3 ways to classify fruits. So fruits can be grouped by one-seeded or multi-seeded. Kamu boleh bahagi buah-buahan nato sama ada ya 1 biji saja kah atau banyak biji. So for example, avocado versus watermelon. Fruits, you can divide them by whether they are edible or inedible. So kamu boleh bahagi buah-buahan nato sama ada kamu boleh makan atau indah boleh makan. For example, kiwi versus the rubber fruit. Or you can group fruits by whether they are dry fruits or fleshy fruits. Sama ada ya karing atau fleshy, ya belaing. So dry fruits, for example, the maple fruit, or fleshy fruits, for example, an apple. Okay, so for your work today, you have to complete the quiz on the fruit system classifying fruits. Good luck, you 5!